This is Barnard, a star about 6 light-years away from our Earth. Someone said that about 10,000 years later, it will enter and collide with our solar system. Is this really true? The question is, if it really comes close to the solar system, will the Earth and humanity be threatened? This is a real star. It is a red dwarf and is located in the constellation Ophiuchus, very far from our Earth. This distance is only second to Proxima Centauri, 4 light-years away. This star was discovered in the early 20th century by the American astronomer Edward Emerson Barnard. This star is also named after him. But in 2024, scientists discovered another small planet orbiting Barnard's star, called Barnard B. This discovery made it the center of public opinion. So will Barnard really collide with us? Through observation, scientists have discovered that this star seems to have a speed of movement that is not slow. Currently, Barnard is moving at a speed of 140 kilometers per second and carrying its planet Barnard B towards the solar system. At this speed, it will take about 12,000 years. Barnard can reach the solar system to a distance of 1 light-year. This period of time is equivalent to the time when human civilization returns to the Stone Age. Compared to the 100-year lifespan of humans, this is indeed a very far-fetched event. There is no need to worry too much about it, because perhaps 10,000 years later, human civilization may have reached the level of a secondary civilization. The light-speed engine has been developed, bringing humanity to migrate to star systems near the solar system such as stars, Proxima Centauri, and TRAPPIST galaxies, and live a happy life on one of those planets. If more pessimistic, humans may not escape the curse of Robin Hansen's Great Filter Theory. Not yet wait 1,000 years, the Earth will enter the 9th stage, the stage of the technological explosion. It will destroy human civilization and make humanity disappear from the Earth forever. Analyzing from a scientific perspective, with a distance of 6 light-years, bring the Sun and Barnard's star to the same scale down to the centimeter level. This is equivalent to the two ends of a distance of 60 kilometers. Each end has two small balls of 1 centimeter size. The probability of a collision between them is almost zero. So if Barnard's star really enters the solar system, what will happen? Although Barnard is a red dwarf star, but his size is not small and is 1/4 of the Sun. So in terms of gravitational disturbance, when it reaches the Oort Cloud and is 1 light-year away from the Sun, this is enough to disturb the orbits of many comets in the Oort Cloud. It can cause some large comets to enter the inner solar system. It can cause some large comets to enter the inner solar system and head towards the Earth. Even Jupiter, known as the guardian of the Earth, cannot stop such a disturbing comet. What would happen if the comet hit the Earth? It would be even more tragic than the collision between the Sun and the Moon. The Earth could be torn to pieces in just a few seconds. If a miracle happens, the gravitational forces of Barnard's star and the Sun will cancel each other out and become a binary star system. At that time, Barnard's star outside the Oort Cloud can change the light and temperature conditions of the surrounding planets. Affecting the climate and ecology, the temperature and rainfall of the surrounding planets will change, affecting the survival of creatures. Perhaps Pluto or some other giant star's satellites will become the next human settlement, and put Pluto back in the ranks of the 9 planets. So 10,000 years from now, if humans can survive, hopefully we will have more options than living in this solar system.